everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a very soft, sparkly, foxy eye look just apt for Valentine's Day. It's not too glamorous, nor is it simple. It's somewhere in between that you can wear for a date night, and it gets done so quick. So if you're ready, let's begin. Before I start with the eye makeup, I like to get done with my brows, and for that I'm using my favorite brow pencil. This is precisely my brow from Benefit in the shade 6. I'm going to pull in hair-like strokes and fill in just the sparse areas, and I'm going to keep it as natural as possible because this entire look is very soft and we want the eyes to grab all the attention. Using the Milani concealer in the shade 145, I'm going to clean up underneath my brows as well as use it on my lids as a base for the eyeshadows. And before this starts to crease, I'm going to lightly set it with the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder. I'm going to be doing the pencil method of Foxy Eye today, where I'm going to be using an eye pencil as an eyeshadow. It's so easy to work with eye pencils and I'll show you how. First, I'm going to start with the Joyride liner. This is kind of like a burgundy brown eye pencil from Colourpop. I'm going to pull out an outer wing and shade just the outer corner of my lash line. And then using a small flat shader brush, I'm going to lightly diffuse the outer corner. And you can see how easy that is. There's no fallouts and it looks really soft and nice. Using the Benefit highlighter in Tickle, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. And then I'm going to be using the eye pencil in the inner corner as well. And then using a flat shader brush, I'm going to diffuse that out. And then from the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette, I'm going to take West Side, which is a light brown shade, and diffuse that in the rest of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be taking this baby pink shade called Dream Maker with a blending brush. I'm going to very lightly diffuse this in the crease. And then I'm dipping into my favorite eyeshadow in the palette. It's called Side to Side. It has specks of fine glitter to it, and I'm going to apply it directly with a flat shader brush. It doesn't need a base or anything like that, and you can also apply it with your finger. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and finish up with some mascara. For mascara, I'm using Roller Lash from Benefit Cosmetics. And because we're going for that foxy eye look, I'm pushing my lashes towards the outer corner to give me a more elongated look. And that finishes up the eye makeup. It's subtle, at the same time it's glam. I don't know how much the camera can capture, but in person it looks absolutely stunning. I wanted to pair this eye look with a really soft lip color with a little bit of color to it. So I'm going to be using Story by Ofra Cosmetics. It just adds the right amount of color to your lip. It is still a nude lipstick, but has a purple undertone. And here's the completed look. Soft, wearable, and glamorous at the same time. I love that combo. I hope you do too. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and sometimes bonus videos in between. For your convenience, I've listed every product that I've used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my socials there in case you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.